welcome to Ed Foodie. Today my wife Catherine is going to guest chef once again, and she's going to make some sauteed Asian eggplant. And as you might know, the Asian eggplants are kind of long, almost look like an English cucumber, a little bit thicker in circumference. So if you can't find that, and you can only find the American eggplants at the grocery store, get the skinniest piece that you can. And I am not a big eggplant eater. Matter of fact, I really don't like it, but this recipe, I really like the way it's cooked. And I don't know if it's just the way it's cooked, or maybe the Asian eggplant is smaller, and it's also peeled. You don't eat the purple skin. But anyways, I hope you enjoy the video, and take it away, Catherine. Take 2 Asian eggplants, cut them in half, and then peel the skin off. Take each piece of eggplant, cut in half lengthwise, and then slice in 1/8 inch pieces. So each piece is going to be about somewhere between 2 and 3 inches long. To keep from discoloring, you can soak in water until you're all finished. Take 1/2 of a green onion, cut it in half again so that you've got maybe 1 or 2 inch slices. And then take about a 2 inch piece of ginger and cut into thin slices. Take 2 large cloves of garlic and thinly slice. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan. Add about a 1/2 teaspoon or a 1/4 teaspoon of whole red peppercorns. Add the garlic, green onion, and ginger to the frying pan. Saute for about 30 seconds, and then add the eggplant. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Saute for about 3 minutes, then add a 1/2 teaspoon of oyster flavored sauce. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. You should see the eggplant start to turn a little bit darker. Then add 1/8 cup of water. Saute for another 3 to 4 minutes, or until you see the eggplant start to turn just a little bit brown. Okay, let's serve it up. So here's our eggplant, the only way that I like it. Really good. I guess the reason why I really like this is it's got a little bit of sweet and sour kind. It's got vinegar and it's got the sugar in it. But only way I'll eat eggplant. If you like the video, give Catherine a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. And thank you for watching.